Let's learn an easy way to remember the derivatives and the integration of sine and cosine functions using the x and y axis. So let's label first. So we're going to label this one as to be sine, that's cosine, and that's negative sine, and that's negative cosine. So the derivative of sine, we go clockwise direction, so that's what it is, yeah, the derivative of sine. So let's say my f of x equals to sine x, and the derivative of f of x will be cosine, and the derivative of cosine is negative sine, so dy dx of, let's say, y equals to cosine equals to negative sine. So we go clockwise direction, so the same, and the derivative of negative sine is negative cosine, and the derivative of negative cosine is sine. All right, so that was going clockwise direction. The derivatives, you go clockwise direction, whereby integration you go anti-clockwise direction. So you start from the top sine. So integration of this gives us that. So that's anti-clockwise direction. To get the integration. All right, the integration of sine is negative cosine and so on, and the integration of negative cosine is negative sine and so on. All right, and that's it. And when you have something inside the x, so that we're going to use chain rule, and I'll go through in the next lesson.